everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of a product called the G-6, and it is part of the Glide Care line. It's made by ComfyGo. Now with Glide Care, it's 3 folding power wheelchairs that are part of this product line, and Electric Wheelchairs USA is one of the exclusive companies that can actually distribute this product. We're really excited to offer these because they're very affordable. They're actually about half the price of what you would find in other comparable folding power wheelchairs. But in this video, we just want to do the unboxing of the G6 so you kind of get an understanding of what everything entails as far as what is in the box and what to expect. So let's get into it. And it's normally going to have 2 straps. So I'm just going to cut these off. And then I'll just cut around the box here. Now the G6 does support 265 pounds of weight. It's airline approved. Has 11-mile battery range. And the top speed's around 4 miles per hour. So once you open it, you're gonna have the styrofoam protection around it. You just remove this top. And as you can see, it's pretty much assembled. Most folding power wheelchairs, there's not gonna be much assembly. So if you're strong enough to lift this, it's about 56 pounds. But if you're not able to lift it out, you can just simply set it on its side. And then you can just pull it out, which is what I would recommend to do. Pretty snug in there. All right, so now I've gotten that taken out. Looks like that was it. So everything is actually in the chair or attached to it. Nothing else is in the box. So let me get all of this out of the way. So we'll just remove this plastic wrap. So it has this protection plastic wrap around the foot plate. You get this removed. It's this bubble wrap around the joystick. Got plastic around the front wheels as well. And then we have, at this point, I'm just gonna unfold it. So I can just set it down like that. And if I pull the seat back and push on the seat, it'll allow me to unfold this. And you can hear that click into place. So next I would just remove the plastic around the seat cushion. And then we have some plastic wrap that covers the legs on the chair here. And that's pretty much it as far as the unboxing. So you can see it's pretty simple. It's not a lot that it really entails as far as removing everything. So now I'm just going to attach the joystick, push the foot plate down. Now the joystick is attached right here. So there's this little, it's like a clamp here. There's 2 screws that are on each side. So if you're left-handed and you need it on the left side, you just have to use a Phillips head to remove this, and then you can easily swap it to the other side. It's not a problem to do that. But to slide the joystick in, I'm just going to slide it right through this hole. So as far as attaching this, this was actually laying in the box, but it attaches to right here. Now it should be attached, so most likely it's not, but it's easy to put back on. You can just screw this on, just like so. And then once you have it screwed in, you can just use this to tighten it. And now the joystick is secured. So as far as a couple of the features on this, we'll kind of go over it quickly. Again, it supports 265 pounds of weight. It comes standard with a seat belt. There is a little storage area here. So I'll just remove it. So we got the charger, you got your manual. You have an attendant remote, which is really cool. We'll show you how that works here in just a moment. Because they're air-filled tires, it comes with a tire pump. You can also use a regular bicycle pump, and then there's a set of tools that they send with this, which is really nice. So anything that you may need to tighten something or to remove the mount for the joystick, to switch to the other side, you have everything in here that you would need. So really nice. So I'll set that up on the seat, and I'm gonna attach this back on here. There's 2 buttons on each side. I'm just snapping right into place. So really easy. So for now, I'm going to put the manual, the tools in here, and the pump. And then I'm gonna take the joystick or the remote control. We'll put the batteries in, and we'll show you how that works. So on the back of the G5, a couple things that you'll notice, there's 2 spring suspensions here. These are the 2 motors. So there's 2 250 watt motors. So it's a lot of power for a folding power wheelchair. Now, if you were to run out of battery life, you can push both of these into neutral and push it just like a manual wheelchair. But to operate this, you have to make sure these are pressed forward into the lock position, and it's not gonna move, but that engages the electromagnetic brakes. On the back, you have a storage pouch, store little belongings there. So you have that in addition to these zipper pouches on each side. So you can put some belongings in here, and of course the pouch that we just showed you earlier. So for a folding power chair, a lot of storage options, which I would like. Now, if we show you some of the features on the joystick, pretty basic joystick, but this is your power button. You got a horn, you got your speed control, and then you have this, which will, so if I go in reverse, you'll hear it beep, but you can silence that. So if I press that button, this will light up, and now it's not gonna beep when you go in reverse. I think personally that should come standard. I don't think anybody wants to hear that, but they have the option to turn that off or turn it on. The cool part that everyone likes about this is the attendant remote. So this comes standard with this. And the way this works is you have to turn on the joystick first, but then once you do that, if you hold the power button down on this, it'll light up. Now it's turned on. So at this point, I can actually control the chair. And you can even control the speed control. So I can turn it down, or I can turn it up. You can control the horn. So this is really great for people who are caretakers. So say you have someone you're taking care of, you can operate the unit, and you can kind of walk beside them and talk to them as you're controlling it. A lot of the attendant controllers are usually mounted to the back. So ComfyGo's kind of stepped that up, and now we have like an actual remote control. Or if you're someone that had some type of condition where you can't actually use the joystick, you can just hold this maybe against your chest. You can hold it in your lap, and you can still operate it. So really like this. This has been really popular within all of the GlideCare products, and several of the ComfyGo products have this as well.
Hey guys, we're giving away a free mobility scooter on March 15th. We're doing this monthly, and all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment on one of our videos. And once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for the next giveaway, which is March 15th.
So moving on, we'll show you a few other things. On the front, we have some more suspension here. We have a suspension on each of the front caster wheels. Foot plate flips up. Also, because it has the pump, you have air-filled rear tires, which also allows a little give. It gives you a little more of a smoother ride. So you have the suspension on the back, suspension on the front, and then the air-filled tires. Great thing about the chair is that it is airline approved. If you were to fly with this chair, the airline's gonna make you take this off. So what you have to do is there's a little clip here, and if I press that clip, it'll slide the battery right off. And you can see this is the power supply to the battery, so I can easily take this off. So when you're flying with this, the airline's gonna make you take this off. You carry this on with you. It has a handle. And then you'd fold up the chair and you'd give it to the airline so they would check it. You can also charge the battery directly on here. So you don't have to bring the whole unit inside your home. You can leave the chair in your car. You can charge this. And then once the charger turns green, you'll know it's fully charged, and you can bring it back out and put it on the chair. You can also charge it directly on the joystick as well. So you have those 2 options. So as far as folding it, really simple and straightforward, but you have this little latch. You just press this like that, and then that will detach it, and you're able to fold it flat. And you can see there's wheels here. So there's 4 touch points, and this allows you to store it standing up. So you could store this in your closet, makes it more compact for storage. But that's really how you would fold it up. So pretty simple. Unfolding it, equally as easy. I would just lay it flat, and then I would grab the seat back and press the seat down, and you just pull the seat back up. You can hear it click, and now it's unfolded. So really simple. Now these seat cushions, they're easy to remove. They're just secured by Velcro. You can wash these. Same thing with this. I can easily remove this. It's actually a lot of padding, which I really like that.
Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we've received that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video.
So as far as the overall size of the G6, it is 38 inches by 24 by 38. Now when it's folded, the dimensions are 29.5 inches by 24 by 17. The seat, it's a big seat for a folding power chair. It's 18.5 inches by 18.5 inches. The seat height is 20 inches from the ground. And of course, as I mentioned, it supports 265 pounds of weight and an 11-mile battery range. Now the front wheels, which are flat free, they're not air filled, they're 8 inches. Rear wheels, they are 12 inches. Now, one other thing I'll show you is about the armrest. So they are flip up armrest. You press these buttons on each side. This allows you to have easy transfers in and out of the chair. Now, as far as putting the battery back in, so once it's fully charged, or if you're flying with this, once you receive it, you can easily unfold it, which I just showed you. And then as far as attaching the battery, really simple to do. You just have to line up the prongs like that and then screw this right into place. So now that's screwed in, and you can see there's a little hole here and there's a track down here. So you just have to slide that on the track. And that's really all it entails to put the battery back into the chair. So if you're looking for an affordable folding power wheelchair, in fact, one that is about half the price of other chairs you're gonna find on the market, the G6 is a great model. The GlideCare brand are 3 really affordable folding power wheelchairs. We offer a 7-day free trial with these chairs too, which is why we're so confident in the chairs. We're able to offer that. So the way that works, you purchase the chair like you normally would. Once you receive it, you have 7 days to try it. You can try it indoors only. Make sure you keep all your packaging. But if it doesn't fit you right, or doesn't feel right for you, you can give us a call, and then we can set up a return. We'll send you a prepaid return label. Once it's received, and it's received in good condition, we'll issue a refund in full. So it's a risk-free way of trying this out. But if you have any questions about the G6 or any of the GlideCare products, call us. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.